Today we are going to see the topic about explain about the top 10 technology changes to concur for digital transformation with regard to security aspects. The abstract of this is technology is processing and so are the changes that surround it. These challenges grow multifold. It will take into consideration the concerns that from COVID-19 pandemic and business resistancy bottlenecks from the perspective of information security, risk management, data security and the big data are the biggest challenge that business need to overcome, considering how to protect their data. Introduction. A continuous technology advantage is forcing organization to challenge their operation, adjust the processes, adopt new information systems and keep their existing system up to date. These new technologies have the potential to disrupt consumer behavior management processes. Technology driving a digital transformation in marketing. Over the past decades, the marketing field has transformed through a resource view and the investment oriented approach to become an part of organization. Today's marketing governance model is more interactive as it allows and build up interaction with customers. Data driven organization. Big data, while providing several attractive opportunities for business, also present challenge to the marketing industry. Applications of big data analytic and ML in marketing. To make a qualified decision, marketers and marketing analysts still require the same information on many different aspects such as customer and their needs, competition, product distribution channels, product and purchasing decision making. Big data also plays a crucial role in new product launches which require large amount of information from customers. For example, some brands in the fashion industry draw inspiration from and predominantly make their decision regarding new product launches mostly based on the analysis of top trending posts. Advertising. Data, if collected strategically through the combined effect of big data analytics and market analysis from experts, result in knowledge that can be effectively used for more targeted marketing and advertising. Top 10 technology chances to concur for digital transformation. Internet of Things. Electronic tagging and tracking of objects and people with barcodes, device and other technologies leave public data open about an individual's location. Cloud computing. Cloud computing continues to show a great promise to assure more cost saving for business and convenience for consumers. Open source architecture. Non-proprietary open source or software application have a lot of offer which include cost saving, data protection. Forward thinking organizations are now implementing privacy by design in their product but making sure those effects meet GDPR standards. Data security challenges. Data security concern posed by technology advances will be a significant concern in the year ahead. Data related issues permeate across the enterprises, leaving the data Philippines exposed means data spillage. Big data. This is the word of big data. Computer and connected device users create more than 2.5 quintillion bytes of daily data. Social data privacy. Widespread business use of social media tools, communication which stakeholders must fathom with each other to honor data governance and accepted practices. Multi-code security. When exploring new code-based services, CIOs now need to ask about security across multiple platforms. Mobile payments. Several consumer survey studies and survey points that if a business keep a better track of mobile network and customer keep a better vigilance over their phone tracked and then care of. Webinar technology. Google Glass, computer watches and other wearable computing devices push the boundary of mobile computing even further than the wonders of the current tablets. Conclusion. The review of literature suggests that the exponential growth of available must unstructured data is causing information overflow in marketing organization. And the below are the references of this topic.